my clutch fork is stuck. Well, not stuck, sorry, seized. So I'm trying to get it loosened out, clean it up, put some grease inside of it, and see if it'll work again. But I've been trying to hammer it in order to be able to rotate it far enough so I can get the 2 pins that are inside here. There's 2 pins, one there, one there. I need to tap them out so then I can pull the whole fork out completely, clean it out, and be able to get it working properly. So that took me a lot longer than I wanted it to, but I finally got it to come loose. As you can see now, moves very sleepy. I'll put the throttle bearing first. Yeah, put it back together. Now the engine and gearbox are all together, almost fully assembled. I mean, there's a few more things I need to put on, like the throttle body, but remember these pipes broken due to rust? Well, I want to drill them out and put threaded ones in there so then I can actually seal it up properly. Probably do the same with this one. Yeah, so that's the next step. Gearbox is all painted. The thing I still haven't done is the camshaft caps. I still haven't tightened them yet, but I still haven't borrowed the torque wrench from a friend yet. But everything else is pretty much done. Oh yeah, I'm still missing that bracket there that holds the power steering pump. The aircon bracket is already on. The clutch slave is not installed yet. I'm still trying to get a new one. Ran out of money. Even though I'm doing everything myself, I still have to spend money. So of course, I'm not a wealthy person. I work with what I have and I will buy what I can to make it work. That's where the engine is at right now. Almost ready. It's still good enough to be put into the engine bay. So we're going to start prepping the engine bay. So she's a bit dirty. Like I said, we're just going to clean it up. See all this wiring wrapping that's all gone. We're going to repair all that, replace all this, clean it all up. I've got a hole here that built up. So I'm going to weld this up together. I hope that doesn't give me any trouble because it's directly underneath the chassis number. Sand it down all the area and then put the engine in. I've got new engine mounts for it as well. New fuel filter, new steering rack boots. It's a lot of work, so I'm gonna get started. Yeah, I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse and go from there. So here we go. Removed most of the stuff that I can, sanded all around the area. Some areas I did sand more than others because you can see like it looks like they filled this part in to try and cover this. Here they had a lot of putty to try and make it smooth. I don't know why they did that because it's already smooth. I just sanded it down with the orbital sander. Same with the rails and that hole already, you can see already welded a new nut on top there, so then there's no more hole and it's also threaded again so I can put a bolt back to how it was. I sanded the rest of the engine bay. Now she's still very dirty, so I need to pressure wash it before I actually paint it. Anyway, she's all ready. I'm going to tie up as much as I can because I'm going to move it over there tomorrow because it's already dark. Pressure wash everything. Tomorrow I will start painting. So that'll be all for today. I got everything that I wanted to get done today, so we're moving forward. I'm tired. It's almost 10 o'clock at night already and I've been working during the week to try and get this done as quickly as possible. The subframes I haven't done yet because honestly I need to get this car out. I'm in a lot of trouble with work. I need to get this car out. Paint it tomorrow. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. I'll paint it tomorrow on Friday. And on Saturday, I'm going to install the engine. Yeah, I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Change my mind. I'm going to wash it tonight and spray it tomorrow. Here we go. It's a bit dark, I know, but there's no light in this area yet. So here we go.
Tomorrow.
Okay, so it's the next day. The engine bay looks okay, but of course we're gonna be spraying it. We're not looking for a perfect paint job, but we just want it to look clean, you know? See, if I was going for perfection, I would get everything out of here, but I don't have the time and I spray over the top of it. Now we're only gonna be using spray cans because we're not chasing a perfect paint job, we're just looking for a clean paint job, you know? So wipe this down with wax and grease remover, get started, so here we go. Alright, just a quick spray can job, but it already looks so much better than what it did before. Look at that. I mean, of course, it's not going to stay this glossy when it dries up, but it does have metallic in it. It should still glitter a little bit, and it's good enough for an engine bay. Like I said, was I chasing perfection? Of course not. Otherwise, I would have taped it up properly. It looks cleaner, and that's what I wanted. I wanted it just to look cleaner. I'm going to let it dry up now, and then tomorrow we are going to install the engine. So, see you guys tomorrow. So I decided not to wait and start assembling all the wiring straight away, because I know tomorrow is going to be a busy day for me. I want to have the engine installed tomorrow. It's not going to be running because I still got a few things to do on the engine. Yeah, there's still a lot to do on the engine, but like I said, I need to have this area here all cleaned up before my boss gets back tomorrow. So I need to have the engine installed, that area cleaned up, and the car parked outside. In order for me to clean that area, I have to get all the stuff out. The only place I can put the engine is back in the engine bay. And I'll be finishing up all the other little bits and pieces on the engine with the engine inside the car. Now I'm really going home because I'm tired. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Tomorrow for sure.
So it's the next day. I'm not perfect. I also make mistakes, and I'm gonna give you a good example of what I've done wrong. Right? These are my engine mounts for my Satria. I'm getting them replaced because these ones are already torn, as you can see. Also, see all this air gap here? I don't like it. I want to have more solid mounts. So I bought some solid mounts. Problem is, okay, I'll show you in the packaging because I'm not sure if I'll send them back. But actually, no, I can't send them back because I bought them a long time ago already, and because I ordered them online. Here they are. Now, they look perfect, right? They are for a 4G91 engine. They are for a Mitsubishi. The mistake that I made actually is for a 4G91 out of a Mitsubishi, where I have a Satria. There's a difference. What is the big difference? Well, I'll show you. They are reversed. They're exactly the same, but reversed. Yeah, it's not just this one as well. It's also the other side. Here is the original Satria one. You see how it looks at it? The image, they look exactly the same, huh? But here's where you'll see the difference. See the massive offset? So this one's a lot lower than this one. So what I'm going to do is, because I still want these solid bushings, I already paid for. It's been too long, I can't send them back. I'm gonna get these pressed out, and then put the new bushings into the old brackets. Let's see if it's doable, huh? Here we go. My guy is a bit camera shy, so he doesn't like to be shown on camera, but he's helping me out with the engine mount. So I want to give him a shout out. So if you guys ever need some work done, exhaust, he does TIG welding and full stainless steel, and he does most of the work for JPM Collection as well. Anyway, if you want to find him, this is his place. Yeah, just want to give my boy a shout out because he's helped me out a lot. And yeah, so if you need any exhaust, turbo manifolds, services, engine rebuilds, he can do it all. So remember, to our garage. If you need him, just come and find him. Alright, next day. We are ready and set to install the engine in. The paint job, yeah, not perfect, but it looks clean. I'm happy. Alright, I'll have a couple of things to finish on the engine. For example, I'm gonna install the starter motor. I've already painted it. The water pipe that goes at the back, already welded and painted, so we should be good to go. I'll install those two things. We'll put the engine inside. Oh, I need to show you this actually. Engine mounts turned out perfect. Now they're not painted yet. The outside, as you can see, it's still got all the rust all over them. Of course, old mounts, new bushings. But this is something that I can always pull off and do later on. I can install the engine and have it mounted and not be worried that it's going to fall or collapse in any way. Let's get started. Here we go. there you have it. The engine is finally back in. I didn't show me tightening up the engine mounts. You know, you can't really point the camera there and see clearly what's going on. All of the engine mounts are now tight. What is left now? I have to put the drive shafts in. Still the slave cylinder, I need to put the gear selected cables. You can see the bushes are torn, but I got new ones made up. The wiring, of course. I lost one of the spaces for the fuel injector rail. I've already got one ordered. Oh yeah, the alternator is still not installed. Well, everything else looks nice and clean, and the alternator looks like crap, so. Wiring still not done. Camshaft cap, still a lot of work left to do. Expect the next video to come up real quick. That's it from me, guys. See you on the next video. Bye.